Well. I guess that's the difference between A15 and A13. Alright, so this is a little bit behind the scenes so that you can see exactly what we did, right? We had a few things erased, right? So we're going to see how best we can get back to what we had in the first place. So how about it? How do we get our video to go back to looking just like this? Well, I guess we'll have to stick around and find out, yeah? So if you want to learn how to make your content like this as a teacher of English, geography, history, social studies, science, English A, English B, POA, POB, IT, name it, whatever it is, you can do that with We Still A Learn. Alright? So there you go.